Hey everyone, Brian here, your honest mechanic. Today I want to quickly outline some key symptoms that can indicate your heater core is failing and needs replaced. The heater core is a small radiator behind the dash that heats air using hot engine coolant. Over time, it can get clogged or start leaking. A bad one will leave you cold all winter, cause annoying fogging, or result in costly coolant leaks inside your car. Here are the most common symptoms of a bad heater core. Firstly, the diminished heat output. The heater core functions like a mini radiator, using hot engine coolant to warm up the air that is blown into your vehicle. When it gets clogged, the hot coolant can't flow as freely, if at all. This results in less heat being produced. You'll notice this especially when idling, as the RPMs aren't high enough to force the coolant through the blockages. Moving on to the second symptom, foggy windows. When the heater core begins to leak, the coolant can evaporate into the air within your vehicle. This creates a sort of mini climate inside your car, causing your windows to fog up. This fog isn't like the normal condensation you might experience on a cold day. It's persistent and doesn't clear easily. 3. The smell of engine coolant. This sweet scent is a telltale sign of a coolant leak. The heater core is located behind your vehicle's dashboard, and when it leaks, the coolant can evaporate into the air within your car. This results in the distinctive smell wafting out from your vents. 4. You are losing coolant constantly. If you have to refill your coolant reservoir frequently, a leak in the heater core could be the culprit. The heater core is designed to transfer heat from the engine coolant to warm the interior of your vehicle. However, cracks or holes in the core allow antifreeze to leak out over time. This gradual loss of coolant may eventually cause overheating issues, and driving with low coolant also risks major engine damage or even a vehicle fire. Don't delay heater core replacement if topping up your coolant levels has become a regular need. 5. The final common sign of a bad heater core in your car is inconsistent heat distribution. If your car's heating is turned on to the same level, but the people inside still feel cold, it might mean that the heater core needs replacing. Ideally, the temperature inside the passenger area should match the rest of the interior. When there's a discrepancy, it often points to an issue with the distribution of heat, typically due to a blockage in the system. The best solution for this problem is to get the heater core replaced. Understanding these symptoms in detail can help you diagnose a failing heater core early, saving you time, money, and the hassle of dealing with a broken down vehicle. Remember, these symptoms are interrelated and might occur simultaneously. So, if you notice any of them, it's time to get your vehicle checked out. The typical cost to replace a faulty heater core ranges from $650 to $1,500, with the bulk of the expense coming from the extensive labor required. Since the heater core is integrated deep behind a vehicle's dashboard, mechanics must completely disassemble the surrounding components to access, remove, and replace them. When you factor in 10 hours of labor at around $100 per hour, plus the cost of the heater core part itself, $50 to $250, the total bill can easily exceed $1,000 for this tedious repair job. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.